Our journey towards Zanskar started from the beautiful Lahore Valley. The yellowish orange hues of autumn made Lahore even more mesmerizing. We made a quick little stop at Darja since beyond this point we won't be getting any mobile network. Slowly we found ourselves surrounded by these snowy giants. The altitude of Sinkula top is more than 5,000 meters. Even though it was noon, it was freezing here. The strong cold winds were making things even worse. You can even spot the mighty Gomborangja mountain from the Sinkula top. From Sinkula top, we headed towards the Zanskar valley. There are no proper roads to Zanskar from Sinkula top, so if you are looking for off-roading adventure, it starts right here. We encountered our first river crossing at the base of Gomborangja. There were some big boulders on the way and we had to remove them. From Gomborangja, we headed towards the Kargyak village. At Kargyak checkpost, we gave lift to some locals who wanted to go to nearby village.
Bye. 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 Bye.
It was already getting dark after the sundown, so we stayed at Purne for the night. Next day in the morning, we headed towards the Phugtal Monastery. The landscapes here reminded me of Wild West movies, so we put our cowboy hats and started walking towards the monastery. Trek to the Phugtal Monastery takes approximately 1 to 2 hours, depending on your speed. The color of the water seems fake, but it was really this much blue in color. As you are nearing the end of the trail, you have to cross this beautiful wooden bridge above the river. Finally, after 2 hours, we had reached the Phugtal Monastery. Before exploring the monastery, we had our lunch. After filling our tummies, we headed to explore this beautiful monastery. This monastery was built on a cave inside the mountain about more than 2500 years ago. This place made me feel bad about not owning a drone. The fossils of ancient marine animals are also found here. Well, as you know, before the formation of Himalayas, there was a big Dead Sea here. The views from above the monastery were so much incredible. By the time we finished shooting, we had nearly drained all the batteries of camera. Well, it was already evening and we still had to trek back. We took one last glimpse at the monastery and started walking as fast as we could. It was already dark by the time we reached Padum. In the morning, we stopped at a gas station to refuel our car. Then we headed towards the Sony Monastery. Normally, monasteries don't allow to shoot stuff inside. But this kind monks gave us permission that it's okay. There is a beautiful lake besides the monastery known as Sunny Lake. The water of this holy lake was so much clean. From there we headed back towards Padum. Since we had no network, we kind of lost our way. We reached this place, I think it's called Phugtal Monastery, purely by chance. We didn't stay here for much longer as we still had to reach Manali by the end of the day. construction of the road was still going on. Due to the falling debris from the mountain, the entire road was blocked ahead. Efforts were being made by BRO to clear the road. We were stuck here for more than 6 hours, and by the time roads were cleared, it was already night. We avoided overnight journey as mountains can be so unpredictable. Instead, we set off at early morning. It was so cold here in the morning that even the water of the flowing river froze. So to keep ourselves warm, we lit bonfire and we got these epic shots.